Hello students, today we will study about principal focus and focal length. Where is the principal focus and how much we calculate the focal length of any spherical mirror. As you see in the figure, one mirror is there, that is a concave mirror MN. MN is the concave mirror. Here we are assuming the image is at infinity. The rays are coming from infinity, and after reflection the rays are passing from a same point. After reflection they are intersecting, or we can say meeting at a same point, that is called as the focus. So you understand what is the focus? Where all the reflected rays meet, that is called as the focus point, and this is called the principal focus. Here you can read the definition. A number of rays parallel to the principal axis are falling on a concave mirror, and reflected rays are all meeting or intersecting of a point of the principal axis. That point is called the principal focus of the concave mirror. This point focus is always on the principal axis of the mirror. Okay, this is in the case of concave mirror. In convex mirror, you can see in the second figure, I had drawn the convex mirror. Convex mirror is in this direction. In this case, little bit different. The rays are coming from here, from infinity. The rays are coming like this from infinity, and after reflection again they are passing through or meeting at a point at the back of the lens. This point again, they all rays after reflection meet, that is called as the focus point of the convex mirror. You see, first ray, if we extend these rays to the side of the convex mirror, they are we can imagine it at the meeting at focus. Actually rays are coming like this and reflecting like this. This arrow, I think this arrow should be like this. Okay, so whenever you extend, because in case of convex mirror we get the image by extending these reflected rays. Reflected rays are going on the same side of the mirror. Next one, C, you can call this C as center of curvature, that we have described in the earlier video. Okay, here you understand what is principal focus. Then what is focal length? Definition of principal focus of the convex mirror is the rays parallel to the principal axis reflected by a convex mirror which appear to come from a point on the principal axis. This point, intersecting point, is called the principal focus of the convex mirror. This focus is represented by letter capital F. Focal length, the distance between the pole and the principal focus of a spherical mirror, is called the focal length, and it is denoted by small f. Distance between pole and the principal focus. Again you can see the mirror, pole is here and focus we have derived here. So distance P to F is called the focal length, and again P to C is the radius of curvature. So R is equal to, in image formations we have taken R is equal to 2F, means radius of curvature is double of focal length. Next one we define aperture. Aperture is the MN, that is diameter of the reflecting surface of spherical mirror is called its aperture. That is, in the figure you can see MN. Whatever dia we are getting for reflecting surface, that is called aperture. In conveyor mirror also, whatever dia we are taking, that is called as the aperture, m to n distance.